Is it the Hindu idea of India? Is it the glory of like America? Should India become like America, corporate India? They have yet to come to terms with the India that is growing at various levels of aspirations. The Eastern UP poverty, Arnab, is not the same as the poverty in Ahmednagar district. There are two different poverties,
I'm only curious.
different aspirations of development. So development is not something, unitary slogan.
Devesh Thakur, how do you view this? Do you think it's schizophrenia? Please don't weigh your words so carefully.
Well, I'm not going to say what you want me to say, Arnab. I'm not going to say what you want me to say.
No, I don't. But don't weigh your words.
But I don't think there's schizophrenia. Actually,
It's a strategy, not just schizophrenia. It's a strategy and schizophrenia.
No, I don't think it's a strategy. I saw the reaction of respected Rajnath Singh ji. That was in response to what a media person asked him.
What is
and you don't expect Rajnath Singh ji to say that no, we are not going to build a temple here.
Why?
It was. That is what it was. He was asked on the. It was a bite by some media person. It was not a press conference as such.
So what are you saying?
Now, I agree with what Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad is saying, that it has been the stand of the NDA as far as the temple is concerned, that there has to be consensus, there has to be, it has to come either from the Supreme Court orders, and that's all. That's how it's going to be done.
So it's nothing.
So there's nothing new about it.
Nothing major.
Nothing absolutely new about it. And what Mr. Narendra Modi has said in his speech at the college SRCC, yes. I think any leader of today addressing a youth in a college would perhaps go and say the same thing and address the youth and tell them how useful they will be for the future. So I don't think this is strategy. I think media is making too much out of it.
Good speech. You say good speech.
Yeah, of course it was a good speech.
JDU says good speech.
Of course it was a good speech. And I would say anyone who was there would make such a speech over there.
JDU,
as far as if they were speaking in front of the youth.
So JDU on Newsa is saying that good speech by Narendra Modi.
Anyone would have made that speech, Arnab. The first line I said, anyone addressing a youth there at that particular position at the given point of time would have made similar speech. That's what I'm saying. There's nothing too much to be read about.
I think they are giving
one minute.
each other.
Why would Nitish Kumar share a dais with Narendra Modi?
No, there's no question of dais today.
No, I'm asking.
Well, why wouldn't he share it? There's so many meetings they go together. They share a dais. Why not? If Pervez Musharraf can share a dais with Atal Bihari Vajpayee,
work together politically.
We are not working today. Mr. Nitish Kumar is in Bihar with the BJP. Mr. Narendra Modi is in Gujarat. They have their own independent states to look after, and they are doing it very well.
No, so because if Narendra Modi is pushed as the prime ministerial candidate of the BJP,
you have come back on that same old tape.
Yeah, I am a broken record.
So if that happens,
there are some parts where I consider I am
then there should be no sound coming if there's a broken record. But then when the time comes, we'll see what happens then. Our view is, again, 1,000 times we have said, it's very clear.
You're showing great.
We are not going to discuss prime ministerial candidates on the media and the press.
But you wanted
let us have an NDA meeting and discuss.
8 days back at about 12 o'clock in the afternoon, 12:40, I think I spoke to you on the phone and you said to me, let's have a meeting of the NDA.
Yeah, of course. That's always been our stand.
Yes.
That the name of the prime ministerial candidate must be discussed within a meeting of the NDA.
Why?
And why not? Because otherwise, what's the point of being a partner in the NDA? You can't declare anything unilaterally. You can't. There has to be unanimity. That's our stand from the very beginning.
So it's looking more and more likely that will be Modi then?
Sorry?
It looks more and more likely it will be Modi.
Well, we'll see what happens then. We'll see what happens then.
I just want to make one point.
We'll see what happens then.
One point. I'm just making one point. You are talking about the NDA. All the one constituent of NDA, Akali Dal has said they will support Modi. The Shiv Sena says, all right, they have no objection. I think now what is the point of having a meeting of the NDA? Already 3 partners of the NDA, BJP, Akali Dal and Shiv Sena are on one side. Another partner is not there. So what's the point? The majority is speaking something. Why is there is a need of a...
Mr. Rahul Gandhi was already the leader of the Congress. Why do you have something go into Jaipur and start doing things over there?
And Shiv Sena is not on the same side.
There are procedures. There are ways. Why do you go into Jaipur and have a conclave and then bring Rahul Gandhi and declare him to be the vice president? He is actually as good as the president. Then why did you have the Jaipur conclave? There are ways and procedures to do that, and we want that to be followed.
And Shiv Sena is not loyal to that principle.
Shiv Sena has said they prefer Sushma Swaraj. So that question also does not really arise. Shiv Sena is not
Anyway,
like Akali Dal. They have not endorsed. Shiv Sena has not endorsed Narendra Modi's candidature.
They will remain with the NDA.
They may. So
Whosoever
many.
becomes the-
Everyone has a right to remain where they want to.
No, JDU will also remain with the
Everyone
NDA,
has
but
a
they
right
have
to
not
remain where they
endorsed
want to or
Modi.
go wherever they want to.
Shiv
They
Sena
do
has
not
not
need suggestions from
endorsed
anyone
Modi.
else.
This was not a
don't
speech
know.
of which I have details.
People
This was
want
not
to
1
know.
minute. This is not a speech aimed at Ahmedabad or Gandhinagar or Bhuj or Saurashtra. This was a speech which he made aimed at a national audience. Do you have any doubts?
No, never.
So he's addressing a national audience
Exactly.
and you like his speech?
Anyone would have made the same speech. Probably if you were a leader, you went there, you would have made the same speech.
Trying to undermine. Well, I don't know. But Sankarshan, this is extremely interesting here right now. We are talking about Narendra Modi's speech and the ripples it's having. These are ripples. You see the JDU far more open. My view is, Mr. Thakur, you may say whatever. Heart of heart, the way you are responding to my questions shows a great deal of growing softness towards Narendra Modi from the JDU.
You are free to have your own inferences, Arnab. Time will show everything.
Sankarshan?
The right Mr. Thakur has answered. The right Mr. Thakur has answered that question on your program.
Ravi Shankar Prasad, how do you view this?
Jokes apart.
The increase. Yeah, go ahead, Sankarshan. Go on, Sankarshan.
Jokes
Yeah.
apart, Arnab.
Yeah.
I think I'm with you on this one. The dare is already on Nitish Kumar's door, and he has to pick up and either chuck it out or accept it. I think, the drift is very, very clear.
Yeah.
The dare is, if he doesn't recognize it, it'll slap him in the face in any day, and then he'll have to respond to it. If he waits for the BJP to declare a formal candidate,
Exactly.
I think he's being led up the garden path till it's too late.
Exactly. Yes, Mr. Prasad.
Now, first thing I would like to highlight, for heaven's sake, stop Times Now or other channels becoming the forum to decide as to who shall be the BJP's candidate.
So it's a
for Prime
national
Minister.
subject of national discussion.
Mr. Rajnath Singh.
Fair enough.
Just a minute. Mr. Rajnath Singh has publicly declared the parliamentary board will take a decision. First, the BJP will decide. We'll talk to our allies. Mr. Thakur has a very valid point. And for the information of Mr. Sankarshan Thakur, our relations with JDU is not of recent origin. We are together for the last 18 years. We have fought 6 Lok Sabha elections together and 6 Vidhan Sabha elections together. Mr. Nitish Kumar has been a minister in government, Mr. Bajpai. He also went to Gujarat as a railway minister. The BJP, JDU government is doing very well in Bihar. Therefore, every program must begin and end with nitpicking as to who will be PM is grossly unfair.
Sir, it's not nitpicking. There are 2 allies. No, Mr. Prasad, I must.
I only want.
Mr.
Arnab, you have to give me time here. Hold on.
Or no, let me complete.
1 minute. No.
Let me complete, please. Let me just complete. I never see Rahul Gandhi's acceptance.
Relationship in Bihar. 1 minute. Since so much has been
Mr.
said about the
Sankarshan, please wait for your turn.
relationship in Bihar,
Will you please wait for your turn? Will you please wait for your turn?
A small point. Mr. Narendra Modi, during the entire tenure of the JDU relationship in Bihar, has not been allowed to or welcome to campaign even for a single day. I am just making a statement of fact.
All right. If you want to make provocative statement, I don't want to take cognizance of that. Or now coming to the serious issue, which I was trying to highlight. Have I seen any time Mr. Rahul Gandhi's anointment be discussed on Times Now with the UP allies?
Yeah, twice.
Never.
Yes, twice.
Never.
Yes, twice.
Sorry, never.
Programs on it.
I repeat, never.
Twice, sir.
You have never called
Mr. Prasad, I am afraid you are not watching the news hour very carefully. We discussed it on 2 occasions. I have an eyewitness.
I was present on that. On the very day of the Jaipur conference.
No, I am not talking of Kumar Ketkar.
But I was present.
Of UP allies.
No, point is I was present
please,
on the debate. The question, and I was not the only person debating. There were other people. There were 10 other people in 10 different windows. I was not the only person.
Thank you. Yes.
Or now, will you allow me to speak today, or I have just been called to watch the program?
Go on,
please, for heaven's sake, allow me to speak. Tell Mr. Ketkar to wait for his turn. He's a senior man. He must know the dignity of a debate on Times Now.
My point is very simply this, that you always ask the allies, which you are entitled to, we respect your right. I have never seen any structured debate on Times Now where all the UPA allies have been called to have a view on Rahul Gandhi's anointment, and I stand by that. Now I have to make a point about Mr. Ketkar's remark against the RSS and the BJP.
Yeah.
We have no view of India. I have no problem with him, because this is the view of Mr. Ketkar, who, I am sorry to say, I repeat, entertains a pathological hatred against the RSS and the BJP. It is a different matter that we have been growing in spite of his hatred and will continue to grow. But what troubles me more is this, that his view about Mr. Modi or other BJP chief ministers remains the same, which is there in 2001, or his understanding of our ideology of 50s and 60s. I know his softness for Manmohan Singh, that I also grant him. But at least I would expect a journalist of the eminence of Kumar Ketkar, about whom I have my respect, to at least understand that in spite of his hostile opposition, why my party is growing, why the good governance record of BJP Chief Minister is catching on, that our CMs are being elected and re-elected 2 times, 3 times and 4 times.